guys, welcome to my channel. It is 6:30 in the morning and it's Babe's birthday and we're gonna vlog today. We're gonna do a birthday vlog. Turn up. So we got a lot planned for today. But yeah, so right now we are opening up Babe's gift, or one of his gifts. But yeah, and I'm just gonna take you guys along for a little trip that we're doing. So, anyways.
It's the pants.
And this is what?
Saki poos.
Socks.
This is socks.
And what's this? Shirt.
Shirt.
Yeah, shirt.
Oh my goodness gracious! Oh.
You did it.
We just finished breakfast with a birthday boy and my dad and baby girl, and now we're gonna do a little walk. We're gonna go hiking to a waterfall. So yeah, and the leaves have started kind of changing color, so yeah, we're gonna go walk. So the foliage is gonna be like really nice. Yeah, how does it feel to be 30, babe?
Open the door.
Feel the same.
Mommy,
Turn it.
help me.
Yes, baby. Okay, we come out.
No, okay.
Hold hands.
We're waiting on Papa. We're waiting on Papa. Hold on. We're gonna go. We're waiting on Papa. Alina. They advise you to not to swim in the water, but it's good.
I'm sure it's clean. I don't think there's any problem. So I don't run into the creek. It's not hitting us. Going to a go-go.
Yeah, good job.
Well, the
Jump. We're almost there. Jump.
the jumping girl.
One more. Jump.
Are you a jumping?
Yeah.
No, don't touch it. No, not with your glove.
Let's wave at the helicopter. Hi, Mr. Helicopter. Hi, Elena. Can you wave? Hi. Hi. Bye-bye, Mr. Helicopter. Bye. Bye. Ouchie.
And let's jump
Thinking
in
about
front.
bowling later on.
There's one in downtown Falls Church.
Let's go to the chicken.
Hey guys, so we just arrived to the Airbnb that we're staying at, and so it's an RV, and yeah, it's kind of what it looks like. But yeah, it's awesome. What do you think, babe? You like it? You like it? Where are you going? But anyways, let's get into the tour. because then we also are going to dinner. We're gonna go bowling, have a little campfire. But yeah, let's do a tour. So let's start the tour of the RV that we stayed in. When we got to this property, it was a little bit confusing of where to park, but we figured that out. But it was a very easy location to get to. The setup was very nice. There was a bunch of fields with different farm animals. You could see a lot of activities going on. So it was awesome. But inside the RV, it was a very clean, very nice. There was multiple windows where you could see out on the farm and see all the animals. Everything was spectacular. Everything was clean. The layout was really nice. The interior design was great. I mean, it felt like we were in a hotel room. You couldn't really tell inside that you were staying in an RV. And yeah, it was very nice, like really, really nice. I was happily surprised by that. And again, everything was super clean. But on the farm, there was a bunch of activities. You could go on the website and do pumpkin carving with goats, goat yoga, sipping paint with goats. They had a bunch of chickens, goats, pigs, sheep, and alpacas on their farm. And it was just a great time. Definitely grateful we found this place. So, yeah.
Billy goat. It's a Billy goat. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy.
Come down.
Come over here.
Come down, little goat.
Ah, there goes my pumpkin.
Fucking drop. Over it. Over it.
Okay, can you get up? Come. And I'll hold you. Come. And I'll hold you. These woods you wanna replace these woods. It's literally on the ground.
No. Eat the grass.
You're eating the grass, yeah. Come on, let's come out. Alina, come on, let's come out. There's a goat. I'm gonna leave the uncle's new roof.
Whee! Hello.
This rubber kid. All right. With colors. See? It's so pretty. Like a rainbow with colors.
This is the view from our little porch. But yeah, we're heading to dinner. We did a little carve pumpkins with goats, which was so much fun. But yeah, now we're heading to dinner. And later, baby, we go on swing later. But this is the RV we're staying in, so much fun. So it is like 9 o'clock now. We had dinner and we went bowling and played some arcade games. That was so much fun. And now we're back on the farm. We're making a little campfire. Some of the chickens are still up and some of the sheep are still up. And the beautiful thing about being out here is that you can literally see the stars and the moon is out. There's the moon right there. But like there's literally no light pollution, so you can see like all the stars. But anyways, we're making a fire. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Give me a follow, comment, like, share. Or not follow, subscribe. You know what to do. You know what to do. But yeah. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
What does this go?
Where's your saki poos? Guys, this is the next day of the vlog. I said I was gonna end the vlog last night, but I never really do end the vlog when I say I'm gonna end the vlog, right? So it's like 7:30, 40 something. And the chickens outside started cockadoodle doing at like 4 or 5 in the morning, which is fine. I love the sound of chickens. And anyways, baby girl is getting dressed to go outside. She wants to see the animals. And we gotta figure out what we're doing for breakfast, babe. But anyways, we're gonna start another fire. Well, they're gonna start another fire. I have a headache. But yeah. Rise and shine.
Sure.
You want Paw Patrol too? She's all dressed.
Guys, it is so cold. But we got the fire going. Yes, baby. Is that a lamb? Där gott. Wow. Hello. Yeah, don't touch it. Okay, come on out. Let's come this way. Ooh.
Please. Please. Uh-oh. Whoopsie. Whoopsie daisies. No.
Yeah, they're gonna, don't touch, they're gonna peck your hand.
Oh. Oh, Dada.
So, yeah, trying to eat my clothes. You trying to eat my clothes? You're silly. Trying to eat my jacket. Hello. That is little ears?
No.
Yeah, I know. I see in my jacket. Is that silly?
Look. No. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Guys, I have the biggest headache right now. I'm so hungry, but we are at the Cracker Barrel. We just left the Airbnb.
Let's go to Crackersberry.
And yeah, so let's get some breakfast.